guys, it's Holly and welcome back to my channel. It's Valentine's Day next week and most years I have tried doing a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial and ended up not filming it or not getting around to editing it until after Valentine's Day. So this year I thought I would put it up a week before Valentine's Day so that you guys can have a look at it and play around with it, and if you want to wear this sort of makeup look for Valentine's Day then you can. This is very exciting for me because this is the first year ever that I'm actually going to have a date for Valentine's Day, or my boyfriend, so I'm very excited about that. I am very excited for Valentine's Day. So this is the pinky romantic Valentine's Day look I came up with today. I hope you guys are excited for Valentine's Day or have a date, and if you don't, just have a girls' night. One of the best Valentine's Day I ever had was just having a girls' night with some friends in town, so you could do that maybe. But yeah, this is what I created for you guys, so I hope you enjoy, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I've done all of my base makeup. If you want to see what my base makeup looks like or like what I use, then I've got like my everyday makeup routine up and a few other videos where it's literally the same every single time because I can't afford new products. So yeah, but for lips, like you can't have Valentine's Day without red lips, like that's like illegal. So I'm wearing, this is a limited edition, sorry I know I'm really annoying, but it's this MAC Magnificent lip gloss in the shade Anthurium. I'm going to start with a shimmery cream base. Sorry if you can hear like old people singing in the background, my aunties are playing some random music in the background and I can't block it out any more than I have. So taking this Almay Bright Eyes cream thing that I'm pretty sure expired 5 years ago and has been discontinued, but I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. I'm just going to take the lighter colour, and it's just like a shimmery eye base, like it's just pretty simple, you can find these everywhere, just like other shimmery eye bases. And so yeah, I'm just going to put that all over my lid and my crease and my inner corner. And now I'm going to take my e.l.f. shimmering facial lip as well. I really want my eyes to be quite shimmery. This stuff is the Balm. So I'm taking a little bit of that and I'm putting that on top and mainly like in the inner corners as well. I'm also going to take that under my brow bone as well. Now I'm going to be taking my Gwen Stefani Urban Decay palette. Again, this is limited edition, I'm very sorry, but it's all I really own. And I'm going to take the colour Zone, which is like this matte brown colour, which is quite warm toned. And I'm just going to put that in my crease. Now I'm taking this matte burgundy colour called Punk, and I'm just going to very lightly put that in my outer corner. Whoa, that's way too much. Good job, Holly. Thank God blending is a thing. So we've got two black eyes. I am going to be taking this beautiful colour here called Steady, which is kind of like a deep kind of champagne-y colour, but it's like quite a bit darker than like a normal champagne-y colour, if that makes any sense. It's more like a rosé, like a sparkling rosé. That's right, I know my wines. I'm just going to put that on the outer part of my lid. I'm going to go with this bright sparkly pink colour in the shade Harajuku, and it's like, it's so pretty. I actually don't like the colour pink very much. And I'm just going to put that onto my lid, like the middle part of my lid, and I'm going to try and pack that on so you get quite a lot of pigment. A lot of pink. And I'm going to be taking my favourite colour in this palette called Pop, and it's just this really sparkly orangey pink colour, and it's just so sparkly, I love it. And I'm just going to put that on top and into my inner corner. Okay, so now for underneath my eyes, I'm going to take the Punk colour again, and I'm just going to very lightly brush that underneath the outer part of my lower lash line. Ow. Everything's blurry. I'm going to take the other end of my brush and just fully blend it out. You could pretty much just put eyeliner on in the makeup look here, but I like having fun with makeup and making things a little bit more crazy than the average person. So I'm going to take my 120 colour eyeshadow palette, which is just like the super colourful one from, I think I got this from Trade Me or like eBay or something. I'm going to take this beautiful shimmery red colour, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. I love this colour. And I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. Now you want to blend this a lot so you don't end up looking like you've got pink eye. Okay, so to look less like I have pink eye and more like this is a makeup look, rather than an eye infection. Where did my brush go? I'm taking this Revlon highlighter in the color Rose Glow, and I love this stuff. And I'm going to take the lighter, this like pink shade here. Hold on, I'm just painting my thumb. Now my thumb looks like it's diseased as well. I just need to get off this color. I'm just going to put that on top to soften it, and then I'm going to blend that out as well. Now I'm going to be taking the top color, which is really nice and sparkly, and I'm just going to put that on into my inner corner as well, just to add more sparkles. And I'm also going to take that around like the first part of my lower lash line and just blend that a little bit, just to add a little bit of shimmer. And I'm also going to take that under my brow bone and onto the very middle part of my lid, just to highlight that bit. Now I'm going to take my MAC black eyeliner pencil. It's just like one of the practical eyeliners, and I'm going to draw a little love heart here. And I'm also going to use this on the outer part of my lower lash line and my tight line. I'm going to take my liquid liner. This is my Rimmel London black liquid liner, which I absolutely adore, and I use this in pretty much every single video. I'm just going to do quite a dramatic wing. More dramatic than I usually would do, probably not as dramatic as most people would do. I just usually do really light wings, so just a little bit more than what I normally do, but like, you'll see. And now I'm going to take my Essence the False Lashes mascara, which I absolutely adore, and I'm gonna put that on. If you want to be extra romantic, you can put falsies on, but no. I actually love false lashes. I just don't have the patience. I don't know how people wear them every single day. I used to wear them from when I was like 8 or 9 for ballet concerts, and they were the most annoying things ever. So I don't know how people are wearing them as everyday makeup. Like, it literally baffles me. And so this is the completed Valentine's Day makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. If you try out this look at all, then tag me on Instagram or Twitter. Generally I don't use Twitter, so Instagram's probably the best way to go. My Instagram is linked down below. It's Holzie_73, and I would love to see your recreations of this. So yeah, hope you guys liked what I did. If you haven't subscribed already, then click the big red button down below to subscribe, and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload. If you guys have any video requests, leave them down below. I love reading through those, and I'm kind of running out of ideas at this moment in time, so video requests will be much appreciated. I kind of want to like add a shit ton of glitter to this look and see what happens. I've got this like pink Crayolan glitter cream. Should we just go for it? Let's just do it. This stuff kind of feels like glue, but like, do I really care? No. It's so sparkly. I'm digging it. Yo.
Oh, are you making a video?
Mm-hmm.
How long are you going to be?
I'm nearly done.
Oh, good. When you finish, can you go up to the shop and get me some feta?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you look beautiful, darling. Wow.
Very cool.
Love it.
Okay, so this is what the look looks like with glitter. I actually prefer this to the other one. So now to pose for the thumbnail. So yeah, this is what I like this. I'm glad I did this little part at the end. I think that adding glitter is a very good idea. So yeah, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Smile, be safe, and stay beautiful, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios.